It's a wet and rainy Sunday afternoon here in Easton, PA, July 20th. This storm kind of popped up out of nowhere. My weather app, until just a short time ago, was predicting sunny skies. Sunny. It's between 2 and 5. And then we were supposed to get some rain later, like after 5 o'clock. But this rolled in way earlier than that. So I just I was gonna make another bike video today, and this time go along the Lehigh River. There's a path. It's called the D&L Trail. And part of it goes along the Delaware, part of it goes along the Lehigh rivers, which the two rivers converge here in Easton. But gonna have to postpone that. So I'm just walking around. I got my bike back home, covered. Fortunately, I got home before really heavier rain started. I'm already wet though, so I don't care. I'm just going for a little walk in the rain here. I actually like these types of storms. It just ruined my plans though for my video today, but there'll be other opportunities for that. Walking down towards the river. It's in the high 80s today. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, gotta tighten up my little GoPro extended mount here. So sometimes I like making videos like this that are totally unplanned. Okay. So this is the Delaware River. Yeah, definitely no drought threat this summer. We've had plenty of rain. Let's see. Okay, so here. Here we go. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I like this feeling. Totally soaked. Okay, let's turn it back around here. You can see across the river there some of the folks that were rafting today, tubing. Oh, here's a few right down here too. So these people who do this, they start a few miles north of Easton, and then Easton's the end point where they come back ashore. Of course, it's this kind of weather that compelled me to buy a GoPro in the first place. I actually kind of like opportunities to use this camera in weather like this. I could, you know, my iPhone is, of course, iPhones are waterproof. I mean, could certainly handle a storm like this, but in general, I don't like to use my iPhone under these conditions. Nor would I want to use a, you know, good vlogging camera like a, you know, a Sony or a Canon. No, this kind of weather definitely calls for an action cam. Here's our statue of Christopher Columbus. There's a bar over on the other side of the river in Phillipsburg, New Jersey, where that music is coming from. So there, it's a outdoor. Well, yeah, they have some covering. There's some shelter, but you know, they got the music going, rain or shine. That sounds like Jethro Tull. Oh, oh man. All right. Oh, now you can see. Now the sun is finally coming out. Oh, okay. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here, getting close to the 10-minute mark. I like to keep most of my videos under 10 minutes. Okay, time to stop.